Panda is dead. Very lazy panda. We are walking. We are on our way to Everland by subway. Make your way towards Gyeonggi-do Station, where you'll transfer to the Yongin Everland line and take the train from there. Coming from Myeongdong, travel time will be approximately 2 hours to Gyeonggi-do Everland Station. Taking the train is the cheapest, but still very convenient. Once you get to the last station, just exit the subway, cross the overpass, and look for the free Everland shuttle bus. Or you can just follow the crowd because everyone's going there anyway. Tickets are available at the gate entrance, but if you bought your tickets online, which is cheaper, you can just show your e-ticket at the gate and they will just scan it, no need to print. You can also print it too if you like.
Oh my gosh, Sakimbokju! I remember this Sakimbokju.
We're going to Zootopia here at Everland. It's the first stop where we're going. The tour buses arrive by 10 a.m. so if you're actually there earlier, take advantage of that window and just go to the ride that you like the most. And it's very lazy.
오 대박.
It's always best to plan the rides that you want to take because queuing can go up to an hour. If you want to skip lines, you can buy a queue pass, which is an express pass, which bypasses the longer queues. For lesser crowds, avoid weekends, and also the peak will be during summertime.
부는 바람으로부터 무대와 끝이에요. 그 안에 있는 불. 에버랜드에서 즐거운 추억 많이 만들어가요. 안녕히 가세요.
끊으시면서 천천히 하세요.
Especially in colder seasons, spring, fall, and winter, it's always best to hydrate yourself because you won't know that you're dehydrating. Don't forget to take pee breaks in between rides, especially when you're on your own and because of the long queues.
Ano yung nasabi sa kanila?
If you're not familiar with the ride, just observe the other riders and see how they do it so that you have a reference. Remember, safety first.
Welcome to Everland.
Once you're done for the day, just go back to the bus station where you were dropped off and ride the same bus going back to the train station. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the link on the right and don't forget to hit that bell so that you get notified when you upload something cool.